And we're back.
We're back into the
There
action.
we go. I'm gonna try not get totally fucked over.
So he died because he's a big dumb idiot, and then
Yeah.
he found an LMG.
No, I already had
HMG.
it forever.
What? But you just found another one. You found another
I keep
HMG.
finding them just so I can get upgraded.
Now he's a private HMG. Is that
Private's
private?
the first class. Like, I mean, that's the first fucking rank in most militaries.
Well, yeah. Isn't that what the medal is on the gun? It's the bottom right there. What is that?
That's, ranks don't look like that.
Don't they?
Well, I mean, it has a chevron, but that's about it. That's the grenade button. Jesus Christ.
More grenades.
Please.
So, if you EMP shit, since they're all robots,
You'd think they would just kill them instantly.
hey, you got a trophy.
Oh, damn it!
What were you gonna do?
I was gonna save that guy. Because if you save an NPC that's on your side, they give you extra shit.
Oh, sweet.
Oh shit, there's another one.
Another what?
Robot.
That's the same
That's
one.
the same one.
Let's kill it.
Obviously I was paying
I wasn't
attention.
done killing it yet.
Did you do it?
Hey, get back here. I'm not
Evan,
done
you
killing
win!
you. Evan has won. Then the Evan have started to win.
We're doing it.
We're progress. You see, this game's got a straight line.
Yeah.
Well, not necessarily straight.
What do you mean straight line?
Well, it's like
Oh, you mean it's
a
not
clear
linear?
path
I mean, like,
that you must follow to progress.
yeah, but like it's got so much shit going around. I don't even
You know
care.
what?
Yeah.
If you would stop, if you would fucking listen to what the prisoners were saying, they tell us where to go, and you ignore them all the time.
I don't
Oh,
want to
you're
talk.
complaining about Metal Gear.
I don't want to talk about this right now, because we're playing Vanquish, everyone.
All right.
Okay, well here's why I should get the turrets because fuck. Also, fuck those things.
You should probably get rid of that.
Sweet.
I
The turret's just fine.
figured that blow up the turret. Yeah. That seems a little unfair.
Yeah.
Fuck, this is D-Day.
Didn't like D-Day go horribly wrong for the people with turrets and shit?
Eventually, but if that was like the
Yeah.
post landing, it was just open.
I imagine it was a
and everyone's
massacre.
dead.
The only reason that the landing forces won was because they just fucking overwhelmed them. There was a lot of people
Which
that
really
died.
works. I mean, we're not speaking German right now, so
Yeah.
I guess.
True.
Thanks everyone in World War II.
yeah. I'm not gonna be like, yeah, it was we did it because fuck that.
No, I wouldn't.
That was like people that are either already dead or extremely old and aren't watching this.
Yeah. You don't know. You can't confirm that.
You're right, I can't, but I'm gonna
can't.
say it anyways.
He's gonna, because it's probably true.
Look at this fucking helmet, it's awesome.
Does he have to take his
Yes.
faceplate off every time he wants to talk?
How is he supposed to smoke?
Yeah, how are we supposed to see his face?
Yeah, how is it supposed to be dramatic in Ellen Page? How is this supposed to be David Cage without
It's
not.
facial
It's not
expressions?
that
If it
though.
were David Cage,
We
I
wouldn't
would
be.
walk out of the
Yeah,
room.
we wouldn't be
No,
playing.
I'd be pressing like X once
Oh
to
yeah.
do like half of this section, and then we'd have some stupid.
We'd
like,
have even
crime
more
and shit.
cutscenes than there.
No, the entire game would be a fucking cutscene.
Oh man, it's like a crab.
Crab people,
Crab
people.
Look like crab. Talk like people. Yeah, Evan knows.
Yeah.
Crab battle.
I'm
What?
trying to figure out what the fuck is happening.
Take it all in.
Yeah.
Just take it all
He's
in.
smoking a cigarette. You guys notice that a lot of people in shows that just light up a cigarette and never finish it?
Yeah,
They actually make a joke about that in this.
Good.
it should.
I'm just gonna cheat and shoot him in the eye. It's supposed to be his weak point that he reveals after you break one of his limbs. Fuck that.
But you just saw it through your.
Yeah, that would be my first thought, is to shoot it.
Well, if you don't know it's a weak point, just think it's a stupid eyeball.
I mean,
The eyeball is always the weak points.
In real life?
Yeah,
Isn't
even
it?
in real life.
Sure.
I mean, if I got
I'll go
shot in
for
the eye,
it. I mean, you want to go for the viewport in a tank if you're willing to just.
Yeah.
You want to really shoot that badly.
if I wanted to kill a Gundam, where would I shoot
Cockpit,
it?
city center. Oh jeez,
Evan said cock.
I did. This for Gundam. So I'm willing to take that. hit.
Evan will do anything for Gundams.
Oh man, you have no idea.
Anything.
Oh jeez! Did you see that fucking bullet?
I did not.
It actually like renders bullets if you're in
As
slow-mo
they're
mode.
flying at you.
And he just fired a cannon. Oh jeez.
Oh, this is
Oh
hype.
man.
Is this his death
Oh my.
sequence?
Oh my. Oh, he's not
Yeah.
dead yet.
Is this phase 2?
Not dead?
No.
Is this his final form?
He's gonna get a final form though.
I hope so.
He's gonna go Super
Why
Saiyan.
don't you use a
Is
turret?
he gonna shoot some death
That one's
beams?
out of ammo.
Whoa, it turns out ammo?
Evan is so much more on top of this game than me. It's on 2 legs now.
Now it's like a real Gundam.
Not a baddie Gundam anymore.
Can you shoot off its arms?
Yes.
Awesome.
Can a Gundam have 4 legs?
It's never been done, but sure.
Sweet.
I mean, they've had treads before, but not 4 legs. I think that's kind of weird. I mean, treads, but no 4 legs.
Yeah.
Kind of
Can I have like a Centaur Gundam? That was sweet.
Well, okay, wait. There actually was like a mobile suit that was like a horse,
That sounds
but
ballin'.
that's not a 4-legged Gundam really. It's
So-
just a weird mobile armor.
It was a mobile suit,
Because
but not a
there
Gundam.
are mobile armors. A mobile armor is like a large mobile suit. It seems like a bad idea. Yeah, it's a bad idea.
Ooh, through his legs. He'll shoot himself in the feet.
Shoot him in the balls.
So, the slow motion, what's that do? Does it increase damage?
It means I know exactly what's going
He's
on.
shooting butt lasers! He's shooting lasers out of his
He
butt!
Ah, that's great.
Ah! Ah! Stab
Shoot
it.
the core.
Stab it. What was that?
It's it being a dick and making some Deus Ex Machina defense bullshit.
Can you throw grenades at it? EMP it.
That didn't work.
That didn't work.
I used the EMP. I didn't use the EMP though.
He lobbed it. Like crazy.
So
Oh man.
this is a boss fight, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
No, this isn't. No. There's gonna be
Oh,
7 of
okay.
these later.
HMG.
This is fucking ridiculous.
I
Are you
mean,
okay with this? Can you handle it?
I don't.
You think our capture card can even keep up with me?
The
It's
capture
like,
card
fuck
is
you,
just
Evan.
gonna,
I can't record all this shit.
it'll explode.
it's gonna fucking light on fire.
I mean, Lost World has bigger enemies. They're just not as cool.
Lost Planet, you mean?
Yes. What did I say?
Fuck you.
Lost World.
That's what I'm.
What am I doing? What?
Shoot
Whoa.
him.
What are you doing?
Shoot him.
Okay.
Oh no!
Ah, shit.
You fucked it.
You know what that
No,
looks
that's
like?
good. I'm gonna do it.
You know what it looked like?
What?
Look like a butthole.
Look on his chest.
It makes it extra weak.
Yeah.
But just blow up his arm now.
I was gonna say, if you shoot him in his arm, does he fall over like a big dumb idiot?
Probably. Wouldn't you?
I certainly. Oh
Because
yeah.
arms are essential to balance. Oh, here we go.
Uh oh.
Here we
Uh
go.
oh.
Here we go. Here we go.
What?
Quick time
Oh
events.
god.
So sick.
Is it?
So
QTE.
sick.
QTE. Whoa.
Whoa! Shit. How is that even a thing that you can do? You just
Like
like
gyros.
circle.
It's gyros.
Oh yeah.
What?
Woo!
See, wasn't that super hype? Are you not glad that I chose this game?
That
That
was
was pretty hype.
that was fun. Yeah, Evan. It was Evan's turn to play a game, and so,
I was like, fuck it.
he chose
After all
this.
this, actually, we had several games. So
There-
we're gonna have to give the disclose that information.
No, it's
No, actually, we are. That's what disclosing is. Fuck you.
yeah, company sequel.
What?
What?
I'm confused.
Shoot him in his big dumb head.
Yeah.
Can you stick a missile in his head?
Nah.
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 I don't know how he's gonna be able to fight
Now
now.
he just doesn't have a head. What is this?
This is ridiculous.
I don't even know.
Are you winning?
Of course, look at his health.
Sweet.
At the
I'm
top there.
almost out.
Ammo. Oh, Evan. Evan-san,
I did it.
you did it.
Yeah.
I did it.
You're our
It just
hero.
fell apart. That's great Russian engineering.
Well, I mean,
You did shoot at it for like 5 minutes.
yeah, and you
Granted, I was shooting at it for 5 minutes,
did you get triple S rank? Is there ranks
Fuck
in
no.
this?
I think, but
Definitely.
I'll probably get to see it best because I
Yeah,
totally fucked over
I'm so
the first section.
excited. No, there's no rank.
I don't know that or not. Like at the end of the game, I think they rank you.
Oh,
I have no fucking idea though.
At the end of
But this is a platinum game, so probably
at the end of the game?
yes,
interesting.
yes. This is made with the same people who made Bayonetta and shit.
Look at all those peasants just walking.
Yeah,
Why you
I got a
power
power
slide?
slide bullshit.
You just power slide past them and they're just
Watch
strolling.
this.
Whoa!
Oh,
Trying
Where
to
is
hit
he?
them?
Man, you didn't give a fuck.
where is he? There he is.
Burns?
I'm doing it.
Don't be mean to Burn. Oh, it's our Burns. It wasn't in Burns.
Oh. Damn it. It's not Montgomery Burns. It's
Well then,
it's
fucking
it's Montgomery Burns.
wrong. Yeah, yeah.
So look at that big dumb sci-fi door that we just closed, and we have to open that one.
It's like an airlock. You go to space?
Because there's already air.
We're still working on that at DARPA. And you haven't tried it out.
DARPA's a dumb name for.
It's like a
What's the
real
stand
thing.
for, Evan? Quick.
No fucking idea.
Wow,
It's a real organization. You think I give a shit about real stuff?
Of course not.
Well, nerd.
Why does anybody?
Yeah.
HMG,
What the
eh?
fuck are they talking about?
Talking about that transport shit that was bringing the robots in before, and they tried to do that with a live rat, and they ended up having its butt turned inside out because organics can't go through that kind of bullshit.
Sure,
Sounds pretty cool, actually.
I believe it.
Act 1, Mission 4.
Okay, now I actually would like to sniper rifle.
Fourth mission already? Jeez.
Where the fuck is that sniper? You.
I don't know.
I certainly
Oh,
don't
no.
know.
Here we go. This is what I want.
Woo!
Oh no.
Can you swap guns with people in this?
No, because I use little weapon type as it.
Ooh.
Sweet.
I love it.
I feel like I'm gonna run out of things to say.
No, this is. No.
What?
There's
What are you
gonna be
talking
more
about?
things to say. Also, more Gundam references are gonna happen. So I'm never gonna fucking shut up after that.
I mean, just ask questions about Gundams.
Yeah, that'll keep me going.
That's the entire reason for this series.
We already did.
Is because Gundam.
We already did that. Like
No,
a few times.
there's so much to Gundam.
He's
You
not
just
even
keep
in a
asking
Gundam.
questions.
He's in a power suit.
No, but think about it.
Do you ever get?
What's the color of his suit?
It's white.
And what is a Gundam?
What?
I don't. What? A Gundam's a robot.
They're white.
Are they white?
Are they?
Are all of them
the
white?
nickname of the first Gundam was the White Devil. Which is
Are-
kind of racist, but I don't give a shit.
So are all Gundams white?
Essentially.
Okay.
Not exactly all of them, but
So what's your fucking point?
that this is the first suit of its kind, and it is white. And he's in a space colony
And these robots call him
fighting,
the White Devil.
fighting people that are fucking parallels of Russia. Basically, this is Gundam.
That was a head dodge.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, the antagonists in Mobile Suit Gundam are actually based off of the Nazis, but they have a lot of Russian influence as well. Like the design philosophy.
Okay. I'm just
believe
gonna
it.
take Evan's word for everything.
Might as
mean,
well, because
I'm learning. This is
about
informative.
something you'll never probably watch.
Listen, Evan. I like Gundam as much as the next guy.
Do
Which
you?
isn't very much.
Because the
to be
next
fair.
guy is me. I'm like literally right beside
Yeah,
you.
if you go down the couch, it's
I
me,
was,
you.
I was talking about CJ.
Oh, the other way.
I don't know.
Yo.
I don't really care for Gundam.
Oh.
I don't really.
Oh.
I don't have anything against it. I've never seen it.
Yeah, well, neither have I.
Oh.
Oh. Oh! Did you get vaporized?
We
I
dead?
sure hope so. Sure, let blow up. Damn it.
Rip.
Some of the death scenes, you like literally explode. It's awesome.
I like it.
Yeah.
Like, but you're still human.
Yep.
So do you explode in like gore?
No, just
No?
blow up. There is gore in this game, though. I don't know why they didn't give it to the main character's death.
The robot gore is
It's,
We've already seen crazy gore of people's
Terrifying.
heads exploding.
oh yeah.
what, in
Forgot about
Pikmin?
No, in the cutscene at the beginning of this playthrough.
Ah, right.
When the microwave gun attacked, everything changed.
When the microwave attacked.
Goddamn Cylons.
God damn Fire Nation with their firebending.
No one would come from the Fire Nation with
Fire machines.
You know what? Yeah, they have tanks. Fuck it.
They do have tanks. If you haven't seen Avatar: The Last Airbender, go fuck yourself.
Go, yep.
Or just go watch
Or watch it.
Airbender. What are you doing watching us? It's
Yeah.
a waste of fucking time. All I'm doing is punching
Yeah.
robots.
Pause this
You're not
video
missing anything.
and go watch Avatar. It's great.
Go spend time with your family, you shit.
What if they have no family, guys?
Well, then just watch Airbender.
Then get a
I
family.
It's the fault of the previous thing we criticized you about.
Ooh, that was... Robots are jamming. They're having great time. They're
having great time.
I think I had a stroke, everyone.
Bad English, but good Asian food. That is a banner that is on the internet.
Whoa, did you get blood on
The
your
ironic part is there's no
Did you
grammar
kill that
mistakes.
I tried to fucking save him, but he
Oh.
ended up finding his own saving. As in, he died. As in,
Sweet.
Don't worry, he'll just respawn.
Yeah,
yeah, that's how it works. He's the main character.
in another game.
All these guys look like generic main characters in games.
What are you talking about? This guy's got a sick ass suit.
I'm not talking about this guy that didn't just die. Oh jeez.
Oh
Don't
no.
get blown up again.
Gotta-
The sniper
No,
rifle?
Oh, that's
oh
close.
fuck. Stress. Much stress.
No, you're doing fine.
See, Evan claims that this is a stressful moment. I don't see anything really different other than that enemy is slightly bigger than the other enemies.
No,
That's
it's
great.
Got, it's got a
You
lot
can
of.
see the-
it
the
can like
bullet.
insta-kill you. It's bullshit.
Yeah.
Like if I were allowed, like that guy that killed me.
Oh, you
fuck.
see, there it is.
See, there it is. If he shot me right there, I would have died. That's what killed
Yeah,
me
that's
last
what
time.
killed him last time.
Okay.
Come on, CJ, you gotta get your head into it.
This game is too much for me.
You gotta get
You
into
can't
it.
handle this game?
Obviously.
Because I'm handling it pretty fucking well.
Yeah.
I've played it before.
It's super hype.
To be honest, I was completely. I had a stroke halfway through this game. It was too much for me to handle.
Because of all the flashing,
Yeah, I just
the
couldn't do it.
sparks,
I couldn't do it.
the explosions. This is basically robot snuff film.
Gundam.
You show robot. Oh god. A grenade. A grenade.
Granada.
This is crazy.
Kill him. Do it. Uh-oh, Evan,
Uh-oh.
Evan.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, don't die.
I'm gonna kill him.
Don't.
He's gonna die. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. Yes, he's gonna. He died.
Pick all this shit up.
He died.
Who left all this shit on the floor?
Was it you?
Is there anyone
It
else
wasn't
around
me.
here?
I wasn't really talking to anyone in specific.
You talking to me?
Oh, I gotta get all these gardens. It's way more important than my mission.
Yeah, it is.
Fuck!
You want a sniper rifle?
Not anymore. I wanted it first to pick off all the guys that were shooting at me when I came in here. But they're dead anyway, so fuck it.
Robots
Sweet.
can't die, Evan.
Are we into another cutscene?
For like 5 seconds.
Look at him. Go, go, go!
It's longer than 5
His
seconds.
helmet looks really
You don't
cool.
know that.
Oh man, it's Master Chief! Oh man, it's Master Chief!
You're all masters.
Oh man, it's Master Chief!
No, that one was soap. Yes. That's what I want you to do.
Yeah, let me do it, you fuck.
Dramatic.
I've got to be the dramatic hero.
I've got to go save those guys that are having fucking...
Burns did not look
They're
happy
having-
about that.
No, he doesn't like people having massage on his time.
I can't tell if Burns is the rough sergeant or the old guy that doesn't like change.
I think he's both. You can have both at once.
I suppose.
I mean, they're almost the same person when you think about it.
I guess. They're both dicks.
Yeah.
So these other power suit guys?
I think
He's
they're
the only one
regular
with a suit.
soldiers. He's the only one with a power suit. Seems like a misappropriation of resources.
No,
I mean-
because this wasn't made by the military. This was made by DARPA.
Yeah.
So get DARPA to make like 3 of them.
The
Fucking, they're
military's
probably
like,
expensive.
well, what if the military's like, I want to change? Like you were just saying.
They've already got one.
No one likes change.
They don't, though.
Besides,
This is DARPA. Like DARPA is acting on their own.
war never changes, and so
Oh, DARPA
War.
just sent this guy with the military, and the
Yeah,
military
because-
was like, alright.
The military was like, I guess we could use a super soldier robot guy on our hands.
you know something that I hate?
We could have a Gundam.
Sushi burps.
Sushi Burps?
Yeah, you don't eat sushi and you burp.
No.
Still kind of tastes like
I
sushi.
have no idea what you're talking about.
People at home know. They know.
But I don't.
Evan, you know?
I don't.
Ah,
It's not looking good for
I
you.
mean,
I mean,
then-
it's a thing.
why did you even bring that up?
What? Because I may have burped, and it may have tasted like sushi, and it may have been gross, and I may
Well,
have...
isn't it just a burp on its own? Like, why does it have to be specific to sushi? I mean, it's
Because
like-
we had eaten sushi,
It's gonna
Evan.
be for curry and
I don't know.
Oh man,
I don't know
fucking
what-
hate Subway burps.
No, that's fine, because that's just a sandwich. Sandwich is fine, but you burp up sushi? What? What is that?
It's fish.
Yeah, it's gross.
Wow.
So you have no problem eating it, but
No.
burping it is an issue.
It's
No,
different.
I can dig it.
The people,
I'm against
the
Cody.
people at home, no. Pizza burps, fine. Sandwich burps, fine. Sushi burps, nah, nah.
I still like how curry's really delicious, and then you have curry bread in the pot.
It's like garlic and onions. Shit's hype
Yeah, and then you smell bad.
when you smell that. Evan, when you was done this episode, this saga,
As soon as I kill
this mission.
these last few dudes.
Uh-oh,
Fucking die.
uh-oh. That
Better
guy,
not.
uh-oh,
That
Evan,
guy's
look
gonna
out.
fuck you up.
He's gonna...
Oh!
You guys were like, oh, he's totally dead, and I was like, no.
That was pretty
I
hype.
totally was like, fuck.
I was just saying watch out.
I mean,
Alright.
woo!
We'll be right back.